Mental illness. It's known as the silent killer. But during the month of May, the city of Rancho Cucamonga gave this issue a voice and a positive spin by instead of focusing on the negative and rather raising awareness for improving mental health.
So communities all across the nation have declared May as Mental Health Awareness Month, and City of Rancho Cucamonga is no different. Earlier this month, we brought forth a proclamation where our mayor and city council members declared May as Mental Health Awareness Month. This is extremely important for a couple of reasons. Number one, mental health is part of overall community health, and this was identified as a priority health issue amongst our community residents. Back a couple years ago when we wanted to form and develop a pretty comprehensive strategic plan.
Mental illness is often a taboo issue that is rarely discussed. As part of the Healthy RC Living initiative, the city worked very hard with community leaders and residents to create a welcoming and encouraging conversation about the benefits of mental health.
Unfortunately, there's still a lot of stigma that comes along with having a mental health issue or knowing somebody who is suffering from a mental illness. And one of the things that the community wanted for us to work on was to really look at how to break down some of those barriers. And that's important for a couple of reasons. Number one, it's important for people to take that step to access treatment, but also to come to acceptance with mental health disorders, whether it was inflicting the individual themselves or a friend or a family member. We didn't want that to be a barrier. The community didn't want that to be a barrier. The other thing that the community residents really wanted us to address when we talk about mental health is where to go to get help. And that kind of goes with the first point. There's a lot of resources in and around our community, in and around our county. However, there's a hesitation to engage in that. So we wanted to really send a message to let's start this conversation. Start a community conversation about mental health. Let's talk about the positives about mental health and how to bring about meaningful, sustainable change within that.
Throughout the month of May, the city of Rancho launched a myriad of programs to encourage mental health awareness, including a comprehensive poster campaign throughout the city that targeted 8 different social groups, launched a social media campaign with daily challenges, training sessions for mental health first aid, and on May 26th, everyone in the city was encouraged to wear green.
Green is the color of National Mental Health Awareness Month, and that's one of the things that we wanted to do is to show solidarity, not just start the conversation, but really show the support, the community-wide support on that.
If you or anyone you know is suffering from a mental issue, visit healthyrc.com for resources around the city and the county, or call 211. Bringing you the best of Rancho Cucamonga, I'm Conchita DeLuca with Healthy RC Living.